We're parked at the Capitol. I really hate doing this stuff in public, but you know what? These people are never gonna see me again. And for you guys, I'll do anything. Except, I won't do that. Watch me, watch. I didn't even stop. Wow, I'm gonna get arrested. Capitol visitor entrance. So am I allowed to go inside? Ooh, the Capitol tree. The Capitol crow. Is this where Barack Obama lives? There's people watching me. Hey, shut up. Yeah, keep walking. Am I allowed inside? Let's see. It's bright. If only I had something to shield my eyes. Visitor entrance. I am allowed in. Is this the Capitol light post? Cool. That's what she said. Cool. Stopped and got gas. And it's pretty neat, and I'll show you why. I just searched the nearest gas station, and it just so happens that it is directly in front of the Buffalo Trace Distillery. Now I would love to go take a tour and do some tasting, but time is of the essence. What's all this? Weird place for a canoe. So I want to go to this brewery for lunch. Hopefully they have food. I mean, if not, they'll have beer at least. I kind of like it here. It's like small town, but not. I definitely want to come back when I have more time and do some exploring. Hit the distillery. Oh, it's right there. Free GED classes and testing at a brewery? Weird. I just had an amazing lunch and amazing beers. This place is called Sig Luscher in Frankfort, Kentucky. They're very small. What I love about it, my favorite thing, they don't do IPAs. All the breweries, it's all the frickin' hipsters, it's all they do is frickin' IPAs. Oh my god, my hat. I have lost this hat too many times, and if I lose it again, I think Mr. Emerald Coast himself would drive up from Florida and just kick my ass. So, Zach, I am being very conscious of what I do with this hat. Stays in the saddlebag at all times when I'm riding. I mean, when I'm not riding, I wear it. I have like 40 hats, and that one is just my absolute favorite. Emerald Coast Motorcycle Culture. They make some good stuff. Anyway, go check that place out. Sig Luscher. If anybody knows me, you know that I am a fiend for a good hot dog. And their menu was entirely hot dog based. How cool is that? They have beer steamed hot dogs. They don't make IPAs, which is amazing because I hate IPAs. That place is the perfect place. So every one of you, go check out Sig Luscher Brewery, Sig Luscher Brewery in Frankfort, Kentucky. And just look at their menu. Even if you're too far to try it out, frickin' check it out. If you like hot dogs, that's the place to be. Yeah, they got great beer. They got great frickin' wieners. Go check them out. Sig Luscher. I'll if I can find their Instagram or anything, I'll tag them, put them down below. There it is. Oh, so this must be a river. What river is this? I'm gonna go exploring on the steps of the Capitol. I like it. Permit parking only. I have a permit.
This just says I can do what I want.
Look at that big basket. Look at the leaning tree. The leaning tower of Teresa. Okay, so I'm on a self-guided tour. This door is open. So I'm gonna self-guide myself right in. Please don't arrest me. Am I allowed in here? I'm coming in anyway. Nice. What a freaking awesome day this has been. I've needed this. Just a day by myself to just get away and do some exploring. I'm quite the adventurer. I haven't taken an arrow to the knee just yet. But you know what? If you're still here, thank you. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being a part of this YouTube adventure that I'm doing. But as always, I love you guys. You guys are my absolute favorite. You guys support me. You guys love me. We're all best friends. I mean, some people say I suck. And, you know, I kind of do. I'm not good at this. But I'm having fun. It's a fun new hobby that I've actually stuck with. And I don't see myself giving up anytime soon. Be sure to like and subscribe. Let's get up to 500 subscribers. Why don't we? I mean, I know nobody's probably still here to hear me say that, but let's try to get this up to 500 subscribers. For real. I love you all. And goodbye.